Clove water, a simple yet powerful concoction, has been gaining attention for its numerous health benefits. This aromatic elixir is made by infusing water with cloves, the dried flower buds of the Syzygium aromaticum tree, and it offers a range of advantages for your well-being. Cloves, known for their distinct flavor and medicinal properties, have been used for centuries in traditional medicine and culinary applications. Discover how this age-old remedy can make a significant difference in your daily life. Clove water is renowned for its remarkable health benefits, making it a natural remedy that offers a wide range of advantages. Firstly, it's a secret weapon for dental health. Cloves contain eugenol, a natural anesthetic that can help alleviate toothaches. Additionally, the antimicrobial properties of cloves can assist in combating bad breath, making it a valuable addition to your oral hygiene routine. Beyond dental health, clove water supports digestive well-being. The infusion aids in digestion by reducing gas and bloating, making it an excellent choice after a heavy meal. Its ability to alleviate gastric discomfort is well documented, offering relief from indigestion and other digestive issues. Clove water is not limited to the digestive system. It's also known for its potent anti-inflammatory properties. The active compounds in cloves can help reduce inflammation in the body, potentially offering relief from conditions like arthritis and muscle pain. Moreover, cloves are rich in antioxidants, which can help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. This means that clove water can play a role in reducing the risk of chronic diseases and promoting overall health. In terms of immune system support, cloves contain vitamins and minerals that can help bolster your body's defenses. Clove water is particularly helpful during the colder months when the immune system may need a boost to fend off common illnesses like colds and flu. Clove water also has benefits for respiratory health. The aromatic compounds in cloves can help clear the respiratory passages and soothe coughs. This makes it a soothing remedy for individuals dealing with respiratory issues. For those looking to manage their weight, clove water can aid in this endeavor. It helps regulate blood sugar levels and can contribute to weight management by reducing sugar cravings. Last but not least, the antimicrobial properties of cloves extend to skincare. Clove water can be used topically to help manage acne and skin infections, providing a natural and cost-effective skincare solution. Now that we've explored the incredible health benefits of clove water, let's dive into how to make this refreshing and health-boosting beverage. It's surprisingly simple, and you'll only need a few basic ingredients. You'll need whole cloves, which are readily available in most grocery stores or online. Use clean, filtered water to ensure the purity of your clove water. Use a pot or kettle for heating the water. A strainer or tea infuser to strain the cloves and ensure a smooth, debris-free beverage. Optional: honey or lemon for added flavor if desired. Preparation steps: 1. Measure the cloves. For a single serving, a teaspoon of whole cloves is usually sufficient. You can adjust the quantity based on your taste preferences. 2. Boil the water. Heat a cup of water in a pot or kettle until it comes to a boil. 3. Add the cloves. Once the water reaches a boil, add the measured cloves to the boiling water. 4. Simmer. Reduce the heat to low and allow the mixture to simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes. This simmering process helps to infuse the water with the flavor and health benefits of the cloves. 5. Strain. After simmering, use a strainer or tea infuser to remove the cloves from the water. This will leave you with a clear clove-infused liquid. 6. Cool and serve. Allow the clove water to cool to a drinkable temperature. You can serve it warm or chilled, depending on your preference. 7. Optional additions. If you like, you can enhance the flavor of your clove water with a touch of honey or a squeeze of lemon. These additions not only add a delightful taste but also bring their own health benefits. Safety precautions. To harness the benefits of clove water safely, it's crucial to maintain a balanced approach. Limit daily consumption to 1 or 2 cups, as excessive intake can lead to side effects. Be mindful of potential sensitivities or allergies, and if any adverse reactions occur, discontinue use and seek medical advice. With these precautions in mind, you can enjoy the advantages of clove water without compromising your well-being. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more informative content. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.